Namaste and welcome to the morning assembly. Today is 5th of November 2020, Thursday, and according to the Gujarati calendar, it is Asovat Pancham. Please get ready for the morning prayers.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
सारे ग रे ग प ग रे सा प म प ध प म ग रे ग म ग सा नि ध ध प ध प म प म ग रे नि सा
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं बैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं बैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
On the 5th of October, Madhuri ma'am, our biology faculty, left us for her heavenly abode. Madhuri ma'am has been associated with TGES for almost the last decade, and she was very close with each and everyone that she has worked with. Unfailingly, since the last 10 years, every time any student enters the biology lab, they are always greeted by Madhuri ma'am's smiling face. It is difficult to believe that now we will no longer be welcomed by that smile. With a very heavy heart, we dedicate today's assembly to the memories of Madhuri ma'am.
This terrace garden was initiated as a case project by IB students, and then later we developed this area to aid in teaching biology.
Madhuri ma'am. I have known her for almost 10 years, and considering the time we spent in school, I must have definitely spent more time with her than with my family. The day I interviewed, it was her simplicity, sincerity, and her smile that influenced me the most. She was full of energy and had the enthusiasm to learn. If she would not understand or was stuck with some practical procedure, she would not sit still till she found out the solution. From finding out new methods to make the ISC practicals interesting, to thinking of new activities, recent research ideas for projects, and extended essays, she passed on her enthusiasm to all of us. It was with her help that the biology team could do things like creating a green wall, participating in the first year of Rajkot Flower Show, conducting hydroponic workshop for teachers, and running the greenhouse successfully.
Madhuri ma'am and I joined TGS at the same time in 2010. On 5th October, when I received a call about her sad demise, I couldn't believe it and still am not able to come in terms with it. We faced many teaching challenges and grew together as a team. The biology team will never be the same again. We have lost one of the most creative members who always had a positive attitude towards life and was the base for all our research based ideas. I'm sure all the TGS biology teachers would agree with me as to how she would take out time to help them with any lab related work. She enjoyed the most when she was with students, be it the IC or the IB. She had a way of getting things done from each one of them. She has created a void in the lives of all of us.
Madhuri ma'am has been one of those teachers who leave a mark on everyone's hearts. She left us with great memories. We have gathered messages from all her students to show how she impacted the lives of her students.
Dear Madhuri ma'am,
You have been more than a teacher to us.
You have been a mother who supports, encourages,
and scolds her children when needed.
Those little moments will always be cherished by all of us.
been there with us in the simplest of moments, like laughing out when we mimicked you,
sternly asking us to wash the lab utensils,
repeating the experiments so that we can understand some of it,
sharing herbal tea recipes during cold winter days,
and most of all, not making us feel bad at our silliest mistakes in papers and in experiments.
Today, you are not with us.
But we hope that this letter, along with all the messages from all your students, will reach you.
We all miss you dearly, ma'am.
Let us now have a look about what her students have to say about her.
I'm Alok Akbari from 2012 IB batch. I'm very heartbroken to know that Madhuri ma'am is no more with us. She has played a significant role in all our success. That I fell in love with biology not just because of the subject, but also how it was taught to us. I still remember her positive attitude and her smile on her face every time in every class. This made us really fall in love with what we are learning, and that is what a true teacher does. We will really miss Madhuri ma'am. Strength to their friends and family.
I'm extremely heartbroken to hear the news about Madhuri ma'am. During my IBDP 1 and IBDP 2 years, she played an instrumental role in getting me through my biology HL curriculum, particularly the lab component. I remember she often gave up her lunch hours just to work with me and solve some problems. And during extended essays and all the internal assessments, she put in a lot of time in helping me design the experiments and also editing that. She played an instrumental role in nurturing my laboratory science research interests. I guess on the behalf of my entire IBDP class, I can say that her energetic smile during our lecture and our lab sections motivated us to study and complete the curriculum with enthusiasm. She was equally loved by our entire class, and we always enjoyed her company. She'll be really, really missed. May her soul rest in peace, and strength to her family and friends.
Madhuri ma'am was one of the warmest and the kindest teachers I came across in school. She was known for her smile, and she was known for her ability to reach out and help as many as she could. I will miss her every time I walk into SNK and go to the 3rd floor and visit the biology labs. She will be missed.
Madhuri ma'am's endearing smile is something I can never forget. She was one of the most kindest and most helpful teachers who always taught us with enthusiasm. She made practical something I looked forward to. We must have gone to her with 100 questions for our IA, but she solved each one of them with utmost patience. We knew if there was someone who would help us even with the most silly things, it would be her. Her genuine efforts to help us grow in something I will always be grateful for. Most importantly, she always greeted us with a warm smile, which made us forget all our worries for a moment. I will miss seeing Madhuri ma'am's face brighten every time we meet. Rest in peace, ma'am.
There are some who bring a light so great to the world that even after they've gone, the light remains. Madhuri ma'am, you were that beacon of light who brought so much life and passion into the classroom. They say, be the things you love the most about the people who are gone. I inspire to impersonate your grace, simplicity, and kindness. Your memories shall be cherished and treasured forever. May your soul rest in peace.
There are few teachers who leave an imprint on our lives forever. Madhuri ma'am is one of them. She always curated conversations that enable me to solve my hardships. She was always there for me, be it coming early for my experiments or spending the break time cracking issues. She was calm, yet the most excited on small victories. She set an example to be kind, patient, curious, and hardworking. You will always be remembered in our memories. May your soul rest in peace. It is often said, the good die young because the God needs them. And once again, with heavy heart, I feel the saying to be proven true. It has almost been 4 years since we left the school, yet memories made during biology practicals classes are still afresh. The time spent with Madhuri ma'am in biology practicals have been one of the most fun memories of our grade 11 and 12. Apart from teaching about conducting research, carrying out experiments, and documenting data, she also taught us to be empathetic. Today, the world has enough geniuses, but all we need is kind-hearted people like you. Not only will we miss her, but also try to impart her teachings and morals wherever we go to make this world a better place.
Before meeting Madhuri ma'am, my perception of a teacher was of an individual who was standing in front of a board, making you ready to take a test. Never had I thought that I could have a personal connection with a teacher. After meeting Madhuri ma'am, that perception changed. Madhuri ma'am was more than just a teacher. She was a brilliant educator, a kind-hearted advisor, and a knowledgeable mentor. I remember when we talked about Pokemon once. She later emailed me beautiful drawings that her child made of various Pokemon characters. It really reinforced my belief in how approachable she was. I don't think there are many high school teachers who would be happy to spend their time talking about kid shows, but Madhuri ma'am was different. She cared about how we felt, what we were interested in, and most importantly, what was the best way to reach us and inspire us. With her heartfelt departure, the world has lost an angel, and SNK has lost a priceless gem. We miss you, ma'am.
Madhuri ma'am, one of those few teachers who'll be scolding and not scolding you both at the same time. You might anger her for a second, but at the very next instant, You get to see a smile on her face. Her sudden demise has surely left us in a state of shock. Madhuri ma'am, wherever you are, all your students hope that you are in peace, for your students and your loved ones shall always remember you in their memories. Love you, ma'am. Miss you and your lovely smile.
Hello, Madhuri ma'am. I hope you are here with us today. I'm so grateful to have had you as my teacher, and I genuinely mean it. I didn't know everything about you, but I knew that you were such a beautiful individual. Some of the things that I really admired about you were that you were such a joy personified individual. You were playful at times as well, and you were creative. You were a learner. You were such a good-natured person with no bad bone in your body. Why is it that we do not say thank you enough? Why is it that we do not say sorry enough? Why is it that we do not express our gratitude to people enough? Why is it that we end up regretting at the end of the day that we did not show these small gestures, or we did not do these small things? Everyone listening to me today, I want to tell all of you, and I want all of you to tell all the important individuals in your life that you love them, that you are grateful to have them, that they mean the world to you. Also, I'm so grateful to Madhuri ma'am and all the teachers out there. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Madhuri ma'am. I'll miss you.
Dearest Madhuri ma'am, this letter is for you, and we hope it reaches you. The worst day of loving someone is the day you lose them. You left us too soon. Your presence was something we valued every day we came to school, yet we failed to convey it to you. And it is a regret to not be able to give back to you as unconditionally as you did. Kind, benevolent, humorous, charismatic, positive, patient. There aren't words enough to describe you. On day one of IBDP year, when we first met you, you had the most comforting smile. You seemed like a teacher whom we could approach any time. Ever since the beginning, not only have you become a mentor, but also a friend. You knew us all so well in the very short time we had together. Some of our best times in the biology labs were with you. From teaching us the same thing over and over again till our doubts were solved, and constantly reminding us of our deadlines, to tolerating our misbehavior in class and those endless waves of laughter together. Those fun and messy lab sessions with you scolding us will never be forgotten. We admire your kindness, your reassuring nature, and your patience to do what you did every single day in school. And we will forever cherish every moment spent with you. We really appreciate and adore your hard work and your faith in us. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being the teacher we needed. Without your guidance and motivation, we wouldn't have been able to reach our best potential in anything we did. You always pushed us to improve and try harder every time we failed to obtain the results in the lab experiments. You were like that light at the end of the tunnel. It breaks our hearts to realize that we couldn't thank you enough for everything that you have done for us. There are moments that were yet to spend, and so much more was left to say. There was so much more to learn from you. You are being missed by every soul that has had the chance to know you. Madhuri ma'am, you will never be forgotten. You reside in each and every one of our hearts. More than a friend, more than a mother, more than a teacher, Madhuri ma'am, we love you. From our heart's grieving depths, remembering you forever.
The impact from the loss of such a teacher upon students, other faculty members, administrators, and school as a whole will remain forever. Death of a loved one is always horrible, and if the loved one is your teacher who guided you through the right path and helped you in your improvement, then it is all the more hard to find words to describe the sorrow. Madhuri ma'am was an amazing soul, an amazing teacher and a mentor who always motivated us to give our best. She always made the classroom brighter with her knowledge, wisdom, and patience. That will definitely be gravely missed, ma'am. It was never realized, but now that stopping her on the staircase to wish her good morning was the best start to the day. We never realize how important people are in our lives and often take them for granted, but when separated, we miss them in every breath we take. We feel lucky to be students of yours, ma'am, and that we got to know you very personally. It was such a bliss. The very first time we met her was in grade 9, where we did an activity designed by her called the watermelon activity. After completing it, we were allowed to feast on the watermelon. It was really fun, madam. Thank you for that. We never really got to say this, but we loved you a lot, and you will always remain in our hearts. Once in a lifetime do people get to meet such an amazing teacher like her. She was like a mother, guiding us through our difficult times. Every occasion now is going to be different without you, but we promise to enjoy it on your behalf too. We had thought that leaving school and saying goodbye would be very difficult for us, but the goodbye you wished us is even harder to wish. We hope that you are in a good place now, ma'am, and watching us. Everyone is going to miss your presence. Honestly, I never thought I would be saying this. We love you and see you next time when you'll teach and we learn again. We miss you.
I thought of penning down something for Madhuri ma'am in Hindi, and here's what I ended up with. कहते हैं इस दुनिया में जो आता है वो जाता भी है, लेकिन क्या ये उनके जाने का सही वक्त था? क्या उनकी भूमिका हमारे लिए पूरी हो गई थी? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। उनकी वो सब सलाहें हमारे लिए कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकती। उनका हमारा गलत चीज पर टोकना कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकता। उनकी वो पढ़ाने की जिद कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकती। और पढ़ाते पढ़ाते हुए बीच बीच में उनकी वो हंसी कहीं जा नहीं सकती। वो यही है, हमारे बीच, सदा हमारे साथ। पर अब जब वे जा चुकी है, वक्त है उनके साथ बिताए हुए खुशी के लम्हों को याद करने का। वक्त है उनकी सारी सिखाई हुई चीजों को हमेशा याद रखने का। वक्त है उनकी छवि हमेशा मन में रखने का। माधुरी मैम अब सिर्फ हमारी शिक्षिका नहीं थी, एक दोस्त भी थी, और दोस्त के जाने का गम शब्दों से व्यक्त नहीं किया जा सकता। धन्यवाद।
That was Madhuri ma'am, a friend, a guru, and a confidant. As a true tribute to Madhuri ma'am, we shall promise to imbibe all the values that she personified: kindness, compassion, a love for learning, and most importantly, her positivity. May she rest in peace. Before we end, let us rise for the national anthem. Assembly Savdhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय जय भारत भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल हिमाचल गंगा गंगा जन 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 तरंगा शुभ नामे जागे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण नारायण जय जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. Thank you all for joining us today.